All right, I'm Coach Heidi here with Coach Wendy, and today we'll show you a few ways to use a lacrosse ball if you're here before class. So you're here 5 to 10 minutes early, you're sitting on the couch, you're texting, you could totally be doing better things for your body. So Coach Wendy here is going to grab one of these guys out of one of the buckets. We're going to address any muscles that are maybe sore or a little bit tight. We're going to say today that Coach Wendy has really tight shoulders. Show us your overhead position, Wendy. First thing you do is test. Hey, what position am I trying to improve? Secondly, she's going to grab the lacrosse ball. We're going to go to the ground. And she's going to tuck this lacrosse ball right between her shoulder blade and her spine. Now, she can also try any other muscle that's down there. This is just a great place to start. She'll lay back on it. And the most important part is that I want her to actually be moving. It is not time to nap, unfortunately. You're actually trying to improve your position for when you come to class. She's going to take her arm, same side, and move up and down, working on that overhead position she's trying to change. She's making some faces here. Try to keep breathing and make sure that you are staying calm through this. Say you're sore in your glutes, your quads, your calves, anything like that, you are welcome to try any of these different areas. Find a muscle, find something that's not too painful, make sure you breathe and keep moving. All right, after you've done about 90 seconds to 2 minutes per side, go ahead and hop on up. So Wendy is going to stand up. She's going to try that same overhead position once again. Yep, better, same, worse. Fantastic. If it's better, you know that one's a good one for you.